Welcome to Mortgage Minutes number 2. First point I'm going to talk about is that houses are still appreciating. I found a chart from back in 1942 until 2022, and it shows how much each house went up each year. And it's just showing you that houses are still going up, even though mortgage rates are really high, and it seems like everyone and their mother wants to buy a house if they can afford it. Second point is about housing inventory. Housing inventory has gotten better in a majority of states, and you can see on this chart that it's gotten better in Montana, North Dakota, Minnesota, but just not South Dakota. And that is half the problem that we're running into. I mean, that along with higher rates, hopefully by next year, maybe June, July, rates should be down far enough where people can afford a lot more houses. Third point is kind of a rate update for people that are looking at mortgage rates. Back in May, the inflation rate was at 3.3%, and the Fed wants that to get down to around 2% before they actually start cutting rates at a good margin. So if you're looking at that, 65% of analysts are projecting that in September, that'll be the first rate cut from the Fed. And if the rate cut happens by the Fed in September, mortgage rates should follow suit a little bit after that. Mortgage rates and Fed rates aren't directly correlated, but it's only a matter of time if the Fed cuts their rates that the mortgage rates come down to.